Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for May 31st, 2024, featuring a pre-dawn Saturn-Moon Conjunction. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 5:18 a.m. Central Daylight Time followed by sunset at 8:19 p.m. Daylight is longer than 15 hours at Chicago's latitude. During May, daylight increased over an hour. The solstice is 20 days away and day's light increases only several minutes until that date. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. An hour before sunrise, a spectacular Saturn-Moon conjunction is visible in the southeast. The moon, 42% illuminated, is 1.4 degrees to the ringed wonder's lower left. At first glance, Saturn might be missed. It is not dazzling like Venus or Jupiter, but it is brighter than most stars in the sky this morning. A binocular helps with the view of the lunar disk standing to Saturn's lower left. For sky watchers in southern South America, the moon occults or eclipses the planet before sunrise this morning. Mars is farther eastward from the Saturn-Moon pair. It is over 10 degrees above the eastern horizon and over 35 degrees to the moon's lower left. Rising before the beginning of morning twilight, reddish Mars is slightly brighter than Saturn. It marches eastward through its orbital path quicker than Saturn. It has opened a wide gap with the more distant planets since their conjunction on April 10. Tomorrow morning, the moon is between Mars and Saturn. Mercury, Venus, and Jupiter are west of the Sun, but they rise during bright twilight. Mercury and Venus are heading toward their respective solar conjunctions. Venus passes behind the Sun on June 4, followed by Mercury 10 days later. Venus makes a wide swing into the western evening sky, but Mercury's evening apparition, like the recent morning appearance, is disappointing. It sets after mid-twilight on its best evenings. Jupiter is moving the opposite direction from the inner planets. Its first morning appearance occurs about solstice time. In the evening sky, one of the fainter constellations is between Leo and Arcturus in the western sky after sunset. Urban and suburban sky watchers need a binocular to see its faint stars. Coma Berenices, meaning the hair of Bernice, is largely a faint star cluster nearly 300 light-years away. It is visible from a dark location without a binocular's optical assist, and it nearly fills the binocular field. The constellation is a window to the distant universe. While the plane of the Milky Way provides beautiful views, it drowns sighting the distant galaxies. A telescope and a dark sky are needed to see them. One is identified on the accompanying star chart, but challenging to see with a binocular, which can visualize celestial bodies 50 times dimmer than the unaided human eye can perceive. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.